Hello, my friends. This is Meena Gandhi. I just prepared some potato bhaji, which is a South Indian dish. It goes very well with dosa, or you can eat it with a roti, or dal and rice, or even in a sandwich, you can use it as a stuffing. Very tasty. So, I thought I'll share with you how I cooked it. So, I'll show it to you step by step with all the ingredients, how I cooked this bhaji. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Today I'm going to prepare a South Indian style potato bhaji, which goes very well with masala dosa, or you can eat it with dal and rice, or with even roti. So this is my way of making it, and I would love to share it with you, and that's why I'm going to first show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use. So this is a mixture of one measuring cup thinly chopped onion, and I also mixed about quarter cup of thinly chopped coriander leaves, which is called dhania patta. I mixed it with onion, so that's what this is. Then there is a 1.5 cup boiled cubed potatoes. I boiled them in microwave, but you can boil them on the stove itself, so it doesn't matter, it's all good. Okay, there is 2 flat teaspoons of chana dal. I use a teaspoon for this, is a teaspoon which is small size, and then there is another one which is, this is a tablespoon, round tablespoon I have. So I use this for oil, but for my dal I use teaspoon. So this is 2 flat teaspoons of chana dal. There is 2 flat teaspoons of urad dal, quarter teaspoon of hing powder, which is also called as asafoetida, and then there is chopped cashews, which is also 2 teaspoons. Then there's a mixture of mustard seeds and whole cumin seeds, which is 1 teaspoon each. So I mix them up in this. Then there is a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, or they call it haldi. Then there is 1 teaspoon of thinly chopped green chili. Also, I'm going to use some curry leaves, about half of this, and that's about 1 teaspoon I'm going to use. Then there is also a pinch of chili powder, and then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of salt, and if I need more I'll add more, and also a pinch of sugar in it, maybe half a teaspoon, just to balance the taste. So that's how I make my ingredients for the potato bhaji for South Indian style. So here it goes. So first I'm going to, on my stove, I'm going to put this pan, and I'm going to, I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil in it, and I'm going to heat it on a medium heat. And if I need later on, I'll add more oil, but I'll see how it goes, because sometimes it may dry out too much, the vegetable, while I'm cooking, and in that case you can always add a little bit from the side and keep frying the onion. So first I'm going to heat this oil, and then I make the tadka. Okay, always add a little bit of mustard seed mixture, the cumin and mustard seed, to see if it cracks. If it doesn't crack, that means you need to heat the oil more. So here it goes. I added my mustard seeds, and then I'm going to add chana dal, urad dal. Urad dal is also called white lentils, and cashews. Then stir it up for a half a minute or so, till the urad dal becomes pinkish in color. And a nice aroma comes, with urad dal. Urad dal is a must in this sort of a bhaji. It gives kind of South Indian taste. Okay, now I'm going to add the hing powder, green chilies, haldi, stir it well. Then I'm going to add curry leaves, curry patta, that is chopped, thinly chopped curry patta. And at this stage, I add about 1 teaspoon of salt so as to coat it very well to the onion. It also helps onion cook faster. So I'm going to now add my onion to it. Stir it up very well. And now I'm going to reduce the heat between medium and low. Okay, the onion is now looking good. It looks cooked, it looks transparent, not overly cooked. In about say 5 minutes on a between low to medium heat. Now I can increase the heat slightly to make it little more higher heat, and like it's still between low and medium, but I like increased it a little bit. So now I'm going to put a little more salt. And I add this chili powder to just a pinch of it. It really makes a difference, that chili powder. It is optional, but I like the flavor and it really tastes very good if you add just a little bit of chili powder to this preparation. I use it even when I make sabudana khichdi or poha or any other preparation, spicy preparation. If I use chilies, I also add a pinch of red chili powder. So now I'm going to add my potatoes. I'm going to mix it very well. I mix this potato bhaji well, and now I'm going to add about half teaspoon of sugar to it, or even less, you know. It all depends on your taste, but it really balances it out. And now I'm going to stir it up nicely. Okay, I stirred it nicely and I brought it to the center, this bhaji. And now I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer on the low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. So I have covered it up now and I've reduced the heat. So about 5 minutes, and then I'll stir it up again, and then the bhaji is ready to serve. So this potato bhaji is ready. I simmered it for about 3 minutes and all the measurements that I used were perfect. So that's how it goes. Before serving this bhaji, I always garnish it with the thinly chopped coriander leaves. For this vegetable, I have used regular cooking oil, or you can use even peanut oil. It goes by your choice. But I never ever have used olive oil for this vegetable because the taste doesn't go well, or any other oil except regular cooking oil. Thank you. So my friends, my potato bhaji is ready. This is how it looks. As I said, the measurements that I used were perfect, and I always taste it before adding any extra salt or sugar to it, and that's how it makes it really good. And I didn't need to add more than about 3 tablespoons of oil, but sometimes it depends on the quality of potatoes or the onions as to how much extra oil you might need to add. So it all goes by trying it out, you know. So this is an easy way of making it, and it's perfect for the people who are trying to learn to trying to learn to cook Indian food. So it's just for beginners, this is. So I hope that you liked my video. You will share it with your friends, and I'll appreciate if you kindly subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching my video, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.